Hello. Who lives in a house like this? We do. So this is our room. So we're at Coronado Springs. We're in the Casitas. So it's right near the best bus stop. We're the first bus stop. So as you come in, you've got some lovely cacti, some lovely artwork, and then you've got lovely desk space. This everyone, this is the last you'll see of this looking like this, because as of tonight, it will be covered in Disney memorabilia. We've got the lovely welcome to us. Classic. For those of you that don't know, I'm the Childs and James is the Wraith. And together, we are the Wraith Childs. I just saw a kid walk past. Vile. That's new. This is new. Not quite sure what this does. But we can get it to do things by saying, "Hey Disney, what's the weather?" and stuff like that. Hey Disney, tell me a joke. Oh, I think it's about to. Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Oh, let me. What do folks in Agrabah call an hourglass in a hurry? Quicksand. Huh? Yeah, I'm still tinkering with that one.
I don't think I understood that joke, but thanks. Then we have the nice beds.
One each.
James just said, "Oh, we're not sleeping together." No. No, we're not. Oh, look, and there's like little things there.
Oh, cute.
And then...
Lots of charging points.
What's here? What's this? Safe.
Is there a Bible?
Yeah,
Oh.
Holy Bible.
Oh, God. Oh, it's burning.
Hang on. There's a Bible. What's in here?
This is a fridge.
Maybe. Oh, yeah. That'll be fridge. Oh, that's good size. Cute. Nice. And then we've got...
What's this?
Coffee maker. Not that either of us will have that.
I'll try the decaf.
Oh, okay.
First time in about 5 years. See what it's doing.
And then we've got lots of drawers. And then through the double doors, we've got a big wardrobe. Well, biggish wardrobe. We bought some extra hangers ourselves. And then you've got his and his sinks. So that's just lovely.
Mouthwash and that.
Oh, his and his sinks.
Cute. Vanity kit.
Ooh, nice little mirror. Oh gosh. And then blemishes. And then a nice little bath, shower. H2O products. Just having a little shower. So that's it. So that's the room. This is what we expected, I think, isn't it?
It's very much what
very much. Yeah, it was just the other way round. It's like the beds were here and the desk was there.